and happy Monday. It's our intermediate advanced West Coast swing, and we're working on Telemarks. We started with a nice simple starter step into a left side pass and a left side spinning pass first as our warm-up, so we'll do that first. So our step sway, hold, sway, compress, so we can both triple step. Then leaders, you're just going to let her on out, so you're going to take a side step for the left side pass, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to sugar push and do our left side spinning pass, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We prep 1. Ladies, accent the quick, slow. Quick, slow. So that was our warm-up sequence. Then from our post position, where we're getting into our starter step, we added a telemark off inside of the left side pass. So we still start and end similar to a left side pass. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our triple step. He steps back. 1, 2, triple step. 1, 2, triple step. So we'll do that again from this side. Notice ladies are stepping together on 3 and he's coming around her on that 3 end. So we have our starter step. 1, 2, 1, and we triple step. 1, 2, triple step. 1, 2, triple step. So that's an 8 count. All right, then we got back into our sequence, adding the sugar push and the left side spinning pass, where now we have embedded a telemark spin. So we'll do our easy exit option first. Triple step. We have 1, 2, 3, catch, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, we'll do that again from this side. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So leaders kind of leave her behind on that one so that he can get past. That segues into a perfect underarm turn for the leaders. So we'll do that option now. We have our 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Prep 1. She spins 3 and 4, 5. He goes 6, 7, and 8. We'll do that one from the other side too. And 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. He goes 6.